What's going on, lovely people? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing this amazing green juice recipe. So these are all the ingredients. You will need kale, cucumber, apples, celery, ginger and lemon. Now the full list and measurements will be in the description, so make sure you check that out. I will be using a blender to make this juice, but you can always use a juicer. Regardless if you're using a juicer or a blender, you want to cut these up in the appropriate size. Now the green apple is what's going to help to balance out those vegetables as well as give the juice a slight sweetness. All of the ingredients used to make this juice will help to detoxify the body. They're high in antioxidant, which means that they will get rid of free radicals in the body, because free radicals promote an environment for diseases and illnesses, and we don't want that. So I made this juice in 2 parts and I added a total of 2.5 cups of water. As far as the lemon, I save it for last just in case I might need more or less. Once you have added everything to your blender, you want to pulse blend for a few seconds. So once you're done, just strain to extract the juice. Towards the end of this video, I'm going to show how I use the pulp for compost. At this point, I'm going to do my test and add the lemon juice. And honestly, this juice was just perfect. I did not need any more sweetness to it. So there you have it. This amazing juice is ready to be served. I also want to take this time to thank each and every one of you for your continuing love and support. We made it to 10K, and honestly, I would not have made it this far if it wasn't for your help. So I appreciate the love and support from you all. Big up on yourself. So earlier I said that I'm going to show how I use the pulp for compost, and it's quite simple. So here I have my dad just adding the pulp to the roots of the plants, And honestly, this is just a glimpse, but you all get the idea, right? Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for some more amazing recipes.